Hey YouTube, it's Chase. Welcome back to Wilson Brothers Ranch, and I'm here to tell you about a little issue we've been having with the fence we installed. Predators aren't able to pass through it, but chickens are able to, which is fine. But when our dogs are roaming alone, they'll see a chicken and play with it like it's a chew toy. And as you can see, we have two pastures, one for winter and one for the summer months. So we need to come up with a way to train our dogs not to hunt our chickens and to stay within our big fence when the main gate's open. And here's how we're going to train our playful pups into loyal guardians. Alright, now let's open up the box. Alright, feels extremely durable just out of the gate, and I know for a fact this is waterproof. Magnetic clasp on the back with a chew safe non-toxic silicone strap. And it also comes with this magnetic clasp on the back. You just slide upwards, and you can just do this with one hand. And at the top here you can see the contact points for the charger, and underneath that there are two contact point sets and our charger, and this is our charging cable. Little magnetic charger. Here are those two sets of different contact points, an extra strap button, contact point tester. Underneath these supplies is our one beacon. Satellai also sent us this flex strap, and it's color matched to our collar. Now you can get this in candy apple red, cobalt blue, shocking pink, or smoke gray. The flex strap fits up to a size 14-inch necks, so Gia will not be wearing that. She's not a puppy anymore. We'll just go with a regular collar that fits up to a size 30-inch neck. So to get started, we're going to remove this button, unscrew it, and then take the other side off. So we'll just put the collar on. Good girl. And we'll just slide the locking clasp on. Just magnetizes. Nice, snug, comfortable fit. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so now that we got that off, we can insert our bottom button. This goes in the bottom side there. Then we line up our second hole. Now once your bottom button's in and your two holes are lined up, we can enter the second button and start screwing in the threads. And once you have your desired size, you can go ahead and clip this collar and tuck away the excess. Yeah, doesn't mind her at all. Feels pretty comfortable. It's not too tight. Alright, and what's great about this collar is I can put it on charge for about 2 hours, get a full charge, and get 5 days of battery life. And the reflective strip on the cover makes spotting your dog at night much easier. But if you still wanted to use the flex strap, here's how you attach it. Go in the back here and start pulling back the safety protection cover. Once you have the cover pulled back, you can see the safety pins here. You can just unscrew one side and pull out the spine. Then off comes the strap. And you do the other, just the same. There's our strap. You can also take the cover completely off and throw this in the wash machine. And here's how I attach the flex strap. Start by opening up your flex strap, like that. Then on the right side here, you can see we could put a pin in the collar. And what's great about the collar is that these swivel. Makes it nice and easy, so you can just put the pin in, slide the collar on. Then you pull this other side over, and then push your pin all the way in. Then you get the other pin, and then screw it into the other side. You're all secure. We can start on the other side. You see this one is made just the same way, but we're not sliding the pin in this side. We're actually looping it through, and the pin will rest on the Velcro, like so. And this would have been ideal for Gia as a puppy, but since Gia is no longer a puppy, this can be great on Mia. So let's put the cover on and give it a shot. Good girl. Okay, so you're gonna be my assistant today, okay, little munchkin? So this is perfect for dogs size necks up to 14, so this is great for puppies that are growing. You could set it at any variable length. Come here, girl. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, nice snug fit. There we go, good girl. And to take it off, all we have to do is take off our Velcro and loosen up our flex strap. and it slides right off. Good girl. Good girl, you did great. Good girl. But since we're putting this on Gia, we're gonna go ahead and attach the mag strap. Super simple. Gia here is our biggest dog of all three of them, and she's kind of like the alpha, regardless of what Mia says. She goes, the other dogs go, and what she doesn't do, the other dogs don't do. Good girl. All right, let's put this collar on charge and connect to the app. And to get started on the app, head to your app store and type in Satellai Collar. It'll be the first app available. You go ahead and download that. Once you have that open, you can sign up with the blue words down here. It says satellai.com to sign up. Below login, but I'm gonna go ahead and click login. Enter my credentials and go ahead and get signed in. Once you're logged into the Satellai app, it asks, why don't we get to know each other and what's your name? So we'll go ahead and enter in Chase. And then let's upload a photo of our dog. I feel like I should use that photo. Definitely. It's a good one. All right. Once you have a photo of your dog selected, you can go ahead and hit confirm down in the bottom right hand corner, then click next. Then what's your pet's name? I'm going to set this up for Gia, so let's enter in Gia's name, then hit next, and select a color. And Gia's birthday is March 6th, year 2024. Click next. She is a female, and she is not neutered. She eats dry food and wet food. We don't do anything homemade. Yeah, we do a little bit of raw food. Some eggs. We always give them organic eggs. So her weight, she's almost 100 pounds. I don't want to say she's 100 pounds, so I want to say she's at 90 pounds. All right, we got Gia's official shoulder height, which is 26 inches. I'm not saying an English lab, so we'll just say a Labrador. Once you're on your pet homepage, you can click fences up here in the top left to get started with making a fence. Create a fence in the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and go with complex fence. Alright, so it says set fence position. So set fence position by moving and zoning the map or searching for an address. So since it has my current address and current location, go ahead and just zoom out so it has a view of the property here. I'll zoom back in a little bit so I can click one of those green corners here. All right, and now that we have the perimeter of our fence set here, go ahead and click done. We'll call this just Wilson Brothers Ranch. All right, now we can save that, and we save that. So once we're done, we can also come in here and edit, and you can add a zone, and this is a no-go zone. So we'll click done. We're gonna bring it over here towards the chicken tractor in this open field here and set a no-go zone. Drag it here. Okay, we can easily make different contact points to make a different shape. Move that one here, and then we can move this one here. Flatten that out a bit so it's a little wider. Very easy to manipulate and create my own little no-go zone here. So this is the summer pasture here. Okay, we'll save that fence. And I can also go in here and edit zone, and I can make it bigger, wider, and I can even extend it going straight up towards my winter pasture, which is closer to here. So I'll spread that out now. We'll go there. All right, excellent. You can go any shape or any form you want. Click done. Save. And that's going to be everything for this video, guys. I want to give a huge thank you and a shout out to Satellai, our partner for this video, for providing this collar and providing a massive discount for all of our viewers. So you can click that link down below and enter promo code Wilson100 for $100 off. And lastly, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe.